Ooh, wait, is it fishy up in here? Is it fishy up in Yes, it is today. How you guys doing out there? It's your boy Stretch. I'm back again in my room with my ring light and my food. I'm about to eat. I'm about to grub. I'm about to club. I'm about to work this mother up. But no, you guys, with my water too. I'm gonna put it on the floor though. Hey, how's everybody doing? So today we have some macaroni, we got some fish, and we got some fried fish. I don't know what kind it is. I think it's tilapia, but we'll see. And then we got some vegetables in the back right over here. I'm gonna show y'all my little plate. Something my mama cooked, and I did macaroni. It was highly requested, so I was like, you know, what, I guess I'd do it. Look at that. It's just like you guys. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I had to dive in. I haven't ate since my lunch, y'all. All of them. Mm-hmm. Y'all, so I'm using my back camera on my phone, so hopefully when y'all see me, I'm looking straight at y'all. And I'm looking at my camera lenses right here on my iPhone, so hopefully everything just goes good. Just break it apart. Like, oh yeah. Yeah. It's all good. Yep. So I just wanted to talk to y'all like real fast about when I like get down and stuff. One thing I learned to do is to get back up and don't stay down for real. Give me some vegetables. For real, don't stay down. Get back up. For real, because what goes down must go back up, and that's just what it is. So when I feel like I hit like rock bottom, I take that as a lesson learned, and I get back up and I dust myself off, and I start all over again. Well, these vegetables is good, y'all. And macaroni, though. Oh, with the yams too. If I had some yams, this will be fire. Oh my gosh. But this works stuff like this. Then got my fish. I don't know what kind of fish this is. Like I think it's tilapia. I don't know my mom, but she cooked it. So I'm like, I'm gonna eat it. Oh yeah. For real, y'all. I'm sitting in my bed right now, so I'm gonna do it like that. Yep. But that's one thing that I learned though. When I fall, get your ass back up and do it all over and do it again. This time, learn from your mistakes. Pay attention to them. So that way, a champion can come out for real. Anyways, I'm gonna eat for y'all. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah, look at this. I'm gonna eat this. That's pretty much it. But and y'all, I don't make macaroni like that. So when I do make it, it's pretty much like a special request. I just have to be in the mood to make it because it costs a lot to make. Honestly, for real. Macaroni is a very expensive side dish to make. It's pretty much not even a side dish anymore. It's like a main dish now, especially if you make it right. But with this one right here, pretty good. I learned the recipe from my auntie. So, Auntie Carla, I love you out there. Thank you for the recipe. But yeah, she really made some good macaroni. But the only difference is that I used cavatappi noodles. So, you see it? They really spiral like. And I wanted that spiral effect. And I actually got these noodles um, by accident because I was supposed. One time I made it for like Thanksgiving. This was about like 2 or 3 years ago, and I was supposed to look for the elbow macaroni and get the elbow, but they ran out. So these were the closest thing for me to elbow, and look at here. Let me tell you something. I ain't never looked back again. I said, "Ooh, I'm definitely gonna be doing these all the time." I love these right here. And the fish, it's cooked so perfect. Y'all hear a crunch? Y'all know y'all hear that out there. Hopefully y'all hear it. This is all one. Yup. Yep. But y'all, I just be having those days where I be feeling down and stuff, but I be have to evaluate myself. Like, hold on, what's wrong here? What's wrong with the picture? Let me fix this. Let me get back up and get back on my high horse and keep it moving. And some vegetables. Mm. I swear, y'all gonna see me scoop a lot with my hands to the spoon. It is what it is. Like, what do y'all want from me out there? There's no vegetables for there. It's all in my macaroni. It's all to get done. You guys, I got a question. Comment your favorite um side dish to have that you'll have like as a main like dish, like literally. Comment that in the comment section, and then I'm gonna randomly pick like which one I like the most. But do that for me, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. This be so bomb, y'all. Here we go. I'm telling y'all. Oh, and then what I did was to my macaroni, I made like a cheese sauce, so or a roux or whatever you want to call it, but it's a cheese sauce. I basically with my canned milk, threw that in there, started as the base. Then I threw whatever cheeses I wanted. I had put some Velveeta and some not just Velveeta, but was it sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, mozzarella, and then the Fiesta blended cheese. And I had also added some sour cream, which gives it a kick. And yes, sour cream does give it a kick. And butter. Cook them noodles. Threw it all in the pan. Let it bake for about what 25 minutes maybe. Sometimes I may let it go longer or whatever, just to get brown at the top and on the sides. Yep, you guys. I think I want to start cooking more. I think I said this on the previous video, but I would love to like start cooking a little bit more, just because I know how to. So, yep. But I'm enjoying this though. This is bomb. And then what I do is after I make the sauce and I pour it in the pan with the noodles, I get some more shredded cheese and I shred it again, right? Cover it on top or whatever. Then I mix it in there before I actually put the actual covering. So it be cheesy and it be good. I'm loving it. I hope y'all are. And the vegetables too. They was bomb. I think I'm gonna try to do that too. Eat more vegetables like and stuff with my food, so that way I won't feel so bad eating like crazy. I'm gonna enjoy this because I don't make this that much. It was actually the reason why I made it was because it was my dad's birthday, and he wanted all his kids to do like a potluck for him for his birthday. So I said, I made macaroni. I had made some potato salad too, and everybody else made their own dishes and stuff. Um, yeah, and I put some aside for the house here. So yeah, but that pan was going. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I had a big old pan. I made like a big pan like this. I don't know if y'all can see my hands. Think about like this big, this big. But it was gone though. I was like, okay, I did my thing. But this is my auntie's recipe, and now she's the one that put us on to it for real. This one good one. Okay. Imagine. Yep. Y'all feel. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nope. Bomb. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Get some water, y'all. Gotta stay dehydrated. Y'all, if it wasn't water, what would be y'all favorite drink to drink? Or how? I would say mine would be, I love that grape juice. That grape juice is bomb. I don't care what anybody say, that grape juice be hitting the spot. For real. It be so bomb. Look at this. Last piece. Last piece. Mm-hmm. Other one. It's so bomb. So bomb, y'all. Can't help it. I feel like a satisfied baby after they have their Pampers changed, they fed, and they got the bottle in their hand. For real. It was amazing. And then my sister, oh my gosh, she made this banana poke cake. It was to die for. It was the bomb. Like, she did that. I was like, ooh, this is good. Mm-hmm. Yes. Oh, wait, yes. Mm-hmm. So, so, you guys. But anyways, I'm done eating. I love you guys out there. Um, I don't know if I have anything else to say right now, but just, get back up when you fall, for real, and keep it moving. Keep it moving, keep it moving. That's all I can say, baby. At the end of the day, re- oh Lord, help me now. With my Rick and Morty hat on, oh my goodness. Oh, wait, okay. Whew. With my Rick and Morty hat on. What is going on, y'all? But anyways, this is your boy Stretch, and I was hungry, as you see. I had my lovely macaroni today. I had my fish. I don't know what type of fish it is, and I'll find out before I put this video up. And then some mixed vegetables on the side as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right. Bye-bye.